Now it's time for us to actually set the design within the hoop and do the positioning. So first we go into the frame option and we select the actual frame that we have in our machine. So we have PTA 15, 18, 21. You can also have the rectangular 12 by 12 inch hoops. So in this case, because it's a small design, the PTA 15 will work just fine. And it'll give us the layout, the area, the max area, which is highlighted in red. The blue area represents the total dimensions of the design. And we could either move it up or down with the directional pads, either using the fast forward option or doing small movements with the fast forward option turned off. So if we want to center the design within the frame, we hit F center. If we want to precision the 0 point origin of the design within the hoop, we click P center. And once we're done, we do trace and we hit start and the machine will start tracing the design. Always remember to take a look at the laser in the machine and not the actual panel to see. So you see where the machine is actually pointing at. Once we're done, we're ready to start with our work. We hit home and the design will be ready to put in our garment.